Hey guys, Visit Charlie here. So today we are going to be trying gingerbread flavored limited edition Pepsi. This is for the Christmas stuff. So very excited, a bit nervous, but anyways, here we go. Ooh. Let me take a little sniff. Whoa, that smells really good. So I got my fancy orange cup. That smells really nice. There we go. Okay. I'll taste it and let you know, guys, what it tastes like. So here we go. No, that is tasty. That is so good. Literally, I like it. But anyways, this is just this. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for videos and peace out.